What's up, guys? It's Andrew Lee from Leisure Productions, and today I'm coming at you with another review video. Well, about an hour ago, I just went to Tennis Express and I bought the Novak Pros. I bought these because I'm starting tennis season soon, and I needed some new shoes. Here's my these shoes right here. They're brand new, mint condition. They just got opened, and here's the shoe. They're size 9, by the way, because that's the size I wear. But they're actually very durable. As you can see, if you don't know, this is like probably some mesh, and this is rubber. And you can see right here, it's like, it says 360 degree, and right here it has Novak Djokovic's face, and inside it's like really wide, and you can just fit your hand in there. See? Okay, and I'll try them on. Alright, here's the shoe. Here's the shoe. It looks like. It's very comfortable, and it is easy to fit on to any feet. And you probably can use these for like a couple years if you stay the same size. But these are very durable. If you can feel, it's like the same material they use to like make iPhone cases. Here's what they have. You can just do this. It's already tied. And here, right here, it probably gives you a little height here. And it's a good overall shoe. Let me just walk in them. So, I'll walk in them. They feel very comfortable. If you're not sure what a shoe you want to get, these are probably going to fit you no matter how big your foot is. But I heard these are very popular right now, currently. And you should buy a pair if you want some really durable and good tennis shoes. And there, that's basically it. Alright, Legit out.